Now we leave you with some top market voices on what Cyrus Mistry's removal means for the Tata Group companies.
It's a total bolt from the blue and completely unexpected. And I think that certainly brings about an element of uncertainty in the Tata Group per se. No doubt, I think Tata Group companies are managed by professionals, and as such, it may not have an impact on the day-to-day operations. But Cyrus Mistry's direction was very well received by the street. His exceptional focus on profit, return on equity, and divesting the businesses which were not performing with a great deal of aggression was what had made the group do exceedingly well in the markets. And we do hope that whoever his successor is does carry out the kind of vision that Cyrus Mistry has laid out for the group. And maybe the group should explain the reason for such a resignation. I think investors, players in the market certainly are looking for specific reasons. So that would give an insight into the functioning of the Tata Group, for which we have very high regards as far as the corporate governance standards are concerned.
This was least expected from someone like a Tata Group. And clearly the market doesn't like instability in the senior management, and that too, this is the top post management. So I think this uncertainty is going to continue at least for the next, 3 to 4 months or maybe more till they really find a successor. So till then, I think the market will take it negatively, and we could possibly see most of the stocks correcting to a very large extent.
I think essentially, yes, the uncertainty that this event would cause is going to put a few companies in more distress than the others. So if you look at Tata Steel, if you look at Tata Global, these are companies which are in the throes of a restructuring of sorts. Tata Global, I remember, has just started talking to investors after a long gap of many years in terms of the restructuring exercise. Tata Steel, all of us know, has been struggling with the kind of solutions that it needs in Europe. And if the top management were to be taken away and a new incumbent comes in with the next 4 or 5 months, everything goes in a limbo. So I don't think people are going to be willing to wait for a phase of uncertainty. So you will see a little bit of a flutter in the stocks, Tata Global, Tata Motors, possibly Tata Steel and Tata Chemicals as well. What could probably get saved is the rushes is probably TCS, because that's a professionally run business, really much not of an influence from the top management. But all, in short, this is going to be definitely inhibiting for growth for these stocks, for the counters to do well. And you'll probably give them a time correction after a while till some new announcements come through.